Did you know that the #1 reason why women between the age of 35 and 55 go to the salon is to cover their grey hair? After watching this, you'll feel completely confident delivering on the most popular and profitable salon services. But what actually is grey hair or white hair? White hair no longer contains the natural pigment melanin. Where there's no melanin, the hair actually becomes transparent and appears white, whereas grey hair is the combination of the dark hair containing natural pigment and the white hair side by side. You might have heard this referred to as salt and pepper. Hair texture and percentage of white play a big role when colouring hair. Coarse grey hair needs more colour and time to cover. Think of it like table salt versus sea salt. The larger the crystal, the longer it will take to dissolve in the water. What about the percentage of white hair? Is it 30%, 50%, or 70%, or maybe even above?
Always mix 1/3 of natural into your target shade when you have up to 50% grey, and then equal part natural shade when you're dealing with more than 50% grey hair. So let's talk about the shades you have to choose from. When we talk about grey coverage, the go-to shade families is the pure naturals. We have a large variety of shades designed to achieve perfect grey coverage for each client needs.
Stroke Zero shades are classified as the pure shades. They are made to enhance or mimic the natural tones within the hair. They provide up to 100% grey coverage on its own or when mixed in with a target shade. Ultra Naturals are your Stroke Zero Zeros. These are beautiful on their own, or they work especially well with warmer shades like vibrant reds due to their warmer tone direction. Resistant cover shades are the double number before the stroke followed by a zero natural tone. These are designed for grey hair that is difficult to cover. They can be intermixed as well with all shades and still ensure the desired intensity also on resistant grey hair. Resistant Cool Cover are the double number before the stroke 02 shades and are designed for normal to resistant grey hair to fight brassiness. These are cool and natural shades to combat underlying warmth.
Remember that resistant cover shades are designed for resistant grey hair. If you use them on finer hair types, the result might appear slightly more intense. Remember the salt and pepper rule. Koleston Perfect have also ready-mixed shades for coverage from cool and warm tonalities. They are great if you really like pre-mixed shades for ease. Application plays an extremely important role for the perfect grey coverage. Always begin where you feel the hair will take the longest to absorb the colour, based on its texture, porosity, and percentage of grey hair. For example, if the percentage of grey is significantly higher at the front hairline, then start your application here.
Thorough saturation plays a significant role for grey coverage. Always ensure that you've applied enough colour and take fine sections to ensure an even coloured result. The development time is 30 to 40 minutes with grey coverage services. Every hair is different, so it's important that you adhere to the correct development time and always check the result before rinsing. My tip is you gently remove off the colour from 1 or 2 areas using the end of your tint brush and then check visibly to see if it's covered.
So, we've been talking about quite a few things regarding grey coverage: formulation, application, saturation, and development time. So how do we remember all this? Well, it's easy. Think about FAST. F for formulation, A for application, S for saturation, and T for time. But wait, the service is not finished yet. Add a little bit of warm water and emulsify the colour before rinsing. This helps to avoid skin staining. The perfect care partner after Koleston Perfect Colour Service is Indigo Colour Brilliance or Colour Motion Plus Care Range.